So in this PicsArt tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create an Instagram story here on PicsArt. So once you have PicsArt open up on your device, what I want you to do is go into the bottom left and go to where it says Tools. Simply just press on Tools, then press on where it says Crop in the top left. Then if you want to make it so that it's formatted in Instagram story dimensions, simply just scroll this bar all the way to the right until you come across where it says the Instagram logo, or what looks like to be the Instagram logo, as well as the story word beside it. So go ahead and just press on Instagram story. Then all of a sudden, as you can tell, it actually makes these dimensions in the same of an Instagram story. So it makes it 408 by 725. Once that is done, go to the top right and press on apply. And there you go. You've now formatted your photo so that it fits the dimensions of an Instagram story. So pretty simple. That is how you guys can create an Instagram story here on PicsArt. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.